Hello everyone, welcome to the Emily RPA Academy, the most beginner-friendly RPA tutorial channel. Today we will teach how to dynamically fill in multiple sets of data into docs or PowerPoint templates using Emily. We have prepared a docs template to teach you how to use the templater to enter data. When you open the docs, you will see two types of variables. One, as we introduced last time, is simply surrounded by percentage symbols as text variables. The other, which we will introduce today, is the array variable. We will give a more detailed introduction later. Next, enter training mode. Select the templater module. Open Debug and switch to Console. In the templater module, we can use Pick to select the docs file we want to fit in. After picking, let's also take a look at this file to see what needs to be fit in. You can see at the beginning there are two text variables representing the order number and customer name. Entering the following code. After entering, click Test. Open the docs file in the workspace to confirm everything is okay. Next, we will introduce how to fill in the array variable. Array variables are dynamic display variables based on the data you provide. For example, in a sales order, if the customer buys 10 apples at $30 per apple and 5 bananas at $20 per banana, we will have two lines of data, one for apples and one for bananas. The array variable will show both lines. If we have 3 items next time, this variable will display 3 lines. How to fit in? First, let's look at the template file. You can see that in the table, there are 2 variables on the outside. It starts with hash at the beginning and ends with slash at the end. Apart from these 2 variables, the names are the same. You will also see additional variables for product name, quantity, and price in between. Enter the following code. The word after output is the outermost variable name. On the right side of the equal sign is the variable representing the array. Depending on how many rows there are, there will be that many elements. Each element which represents a row is an object. Each object's key matches the variable in the template files columns, and the value is the product name, quantity, and price, respectively. After entering, click Test. You can see that the table content appears. Lastly, we need to enter the total price. This can be calculated as done by summing up the products array with a loop. With this method, regardless of the number of rows, the total can be summed up. After entering, click Test, you can see that the total price appears. That's all for this course. If you have any questions, please leave a comment or ask on the Emily RPA forum. I'm Hao, and we will see you in the next class.